Por eso, ¿dónde está?
Sí, que no. Sí, a vos también hay que grabarte.
Qué vergüenza, gente grande. ¿Cuántos años tenés, papá?
Sí, a vos también hay que filmarte.
What was supposed to be a normal team flight turned into a full-blown nightmare. Passengers were seated, relaxed, waiting for takeoff. Then suddenly, everything changed. A professional footballer allegedly shouted one word: bomb. And in seconds, panic exploded across the cabin. Takeoff aborted, passengers ordered to evacuate immediately, security forces storming the aircraft, people confused, al-Bads shouting, others frozen in fear. No one knew if this was real or a twisted joke. The man behind it all, Jesús David Emiliano Endrizzi, escorted off the plane, in handcuffs, right in front of everyone. But the damage didn't stop there. Over 1,200 passengers affected, flights delayed, others canceled, families stranded, plans completely ruined. All because of one word. And in today's world, there's no such thing as just a joke on a plane. Now, he's detained. His club, Gimnasia y Esgrima de Jujuy, is already considering terminating his contract. One moment, one decision, could end his entire career. So tell me, was it stupidity or something much worse? Because sometimes, one word is all it takes to lose everything.
So now the question is, what do you think? Drop your opinion in the comments. Let's talk about it. For the latest viral stories and breaking news, make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. The next story might be even bigger. Goodbye.